G'day folks, this is not a tutorial because nobody else uses the same CAD as I do. This is just a how I did it and I hope it will be entertaining. Old Foundryman, you know, the bloke who makes the best casting videos on YouTube, he wanted to 3D print some of these things. Martin's learning FreeCAD and he'd got this far when he sort of got stumped. I said, send me a step file and I'll see if I can fix it for you. I spent far too long trying to fix it and then decided it would be quicker to do it from scratch. This part is a clamp pad for a 3018 router. Now if you'd like to hang around for a couple of minutes, I'll show you how I did it. This profile is to suit a countersink head screw. Now I'm going to revolve that profile 180 degrees, which is in that dialog box there. And then I have to pick the entities that I wish to revolve, then the direction of the revolve, and then the center line about which to do the revolve. Now I want to extrude that flat face there 20 millimeters, which is in that dialog box. Now we zoom out and change the active level, which is in the level list over on the left there that you can see highlighted in blue. That was a keystroke that brought up that circle box. I use keystrokes a lot. It goes back to the days when I was using this CAD in DOS and icons just didn't exist. Now I'll extrude the circle to get the solid that I want. I could have used a circle primitive, but hey, I'm used to doing extrusions. That's the extrude dialog box, and you just select your circle that you want to extrude and the direction in which you want to extrude it. And now we're simply going to cut the red bit away from the green bit. Or to use the key creator, which is the name of my CAD package terminology, it's just trim solid to a solid. Then we turn off the level with the red part on. Levels are like having many sheets of paper that you can turn on and off at will. Now we go to the chamfer edges function. And then just start picking edges with gay abandon. They're going to be 0.5s. That was in that dialog box. And here I'm selecting the various edges that are going to have the 0.5 chamfer applied. That's a lot. Done. Now a quick spin round to see that the chamfers are all what we wanted. Now we chamfer the top edge. The bottom edge will make a 1mm chamfer. Always like to have decent sized chamfers on the bottom of a part that's to be 3D printed. Right, that's about the end of the drawing. Now we'll have a look at the clamp pad in action. As you can see here, the clamp pad is in place and it's not scratching the bed at all. The clamp pad is virtually captive on the screw because the slot for the screw is quite tight. The T-nuts Martin used were downloaded from Thingiverse. And if you'd like to print yourself some clamp pads, I'll put a download link in the description. This is the first time I've done a video of this type. I hope it's entertained you and thank you for watching.